Friday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 20s. Saturday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the 30s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. A 30% chance of snow overnight. Near steady temperature around 30. Sunday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the upper 30s. Sunday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-20s. Monday, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-30s. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 20s. Tuesday, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-30s. Again,